Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get working GoDaddy promo or discount codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so a great way to do this is head on over to a site called couponfollow.com and then go ahead and click on search for a store. So type in GoDaddy here, then hit enter or click on the link below. And now we'll be taken to Coupon Follow's GoDaddy coupon codes, promo codes, search results. So if we scroll down here, we can see top GoDaddy promo codes for August 2025. I'm making this video in August 2025. So we got 20% off code here. So if you want to go ahead and activate it, click onto that. We got 1% off. We can scroll down and look at other promo codes too. So whichever one you like, just simply click on the coupon code and now copy the coupon code and paste at the checkout section of GoDaddy to enjoy your savings. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check these out at different times and they do expire. So if one expires, just move on to the next code.